Assembly and installation of CRU-II. There are a few necessary tools to be prepared before starting to assembly and installing the sealing module. Allen socket head driver, flathead screwdriver, torque wrench, level or laser alignment system. Assembly is recommended to be carried out on horizontal plane with cardboard as protection to prevent damage on the surface of the parts. Before starting the assembly process, make sure each part is prepared and aligned properly, according to AAF submittal drawing. Start the assembly by joining the respective modules accordingly, by using M8 bolt and nut to secure the sealing module in position. Hanging of CRU-II units. After the assembly process, install the M8 turnbuckle at the hanging bracket on the housing for hanging purpose. Filter installation. Install the filter into the housing with the gasket completely sit on the housing inner flange. Lock the HEPA filter. Install back the perforated diffuser. Lock perforated diffuser. Filter replacement. Unlock the diffuser. Remove the perforated diffuser by loosening the cam lock. Unlock the HEPA filter. Remove the existing filter. The pressure drop of the HEPA-ULPA filter can be determined by taking any point of downstream and upstream. Filter is required to change when it reaches its final recommended differential pressure.